It looks something like this.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is over, it's time to take down all the decor, and that feels so sad because our home, and I'm sure yours does too, or did, feels so cozy with the warm lights and all of the different colors, and it's sad. So we've always left up certain decorations, and we decided to make our back porch into a winter wonderland because it's still really cold. I can still see my breath, it's cold. We partnered with FEIT Electric, which was such an organic partnership for us because we actually already use their lights on our back patio to create this winter wonderland back porch, and we love, love, love the way that it turned out. By combining things that I already had, I went in and I took some decor off of our Christmas tree, and I just covered some pillows we already had. It turned into the coziest space, and I love it so much, and now I want to spend all of my time out here under a heating pad, a big, huge heating pad. But if you want to see how we got all of this to come together, we recorded the entire process, and I'm excited to share it with you, so here it is. Before we can dive in and do a full makeover, we gotta get a good deep clean going on. Sprucing up the space and add a little texture with a new outdoor rug. One of my very favorite things about this house is our swinging day bed because it reminds me of 30A, and it's so easy to give it a fresh refresh with some new pillows. Since we're transitioning from Christmas into spring, but it's still winter, I'm using some of the same decor pieces and just making it feel very wintry outside. The look of the drapey Edison lights, I feel like they just make a space feel so fairy tale-ish and very ethereal. So we're just draping them back and forth across the back porch. Well, what do you guys think? I really love love the FEIT outdoor string lights. I just feel like they just made the space feel so magical. One of my favorite things that FEIT makes are the smart products. For instance, the outdoor plug is so awesome because when it's freezing out, I don't have to go outside to turn my lights on and off. I just use the app. And then the indoor plug, I can connect it to Alexa or Siri and turn my lights on when I'm not even home. The FEIT app is so easy to use. You can group different rooms together, set timers. You can even create a schedule to turn your lights on and off. I think it turned out amazing. I love that I was able to mix old with new. I was able to really get interesting with the different textures and the different colors, but still keep it neutral, if that makes sense. And I feel like it just turned out so beautiful. It feels like it's something out of a Southern Living magazine, and that's a really huge compliment to myself, I know. But that's just how I feel. Leave a comment below and let me know what video you guys want to see from me next. I hope you guys enjoyed this so much because I had a lot of fun creating this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.